The Queen's Award is the UK's most prestigious business award, and we're particularly proud to have won an award for sustainable development, one of only 6 companies who have achieved that in 2019 from every sector of UK business.
The reason we've won it is because of our approach to sustainability and, in essence, making a real difference. It's the way in which we engage with and the way in which we operate our business.
First of all, it means looking after the environment, but it also means contributing to the wider community. So the charitable work we do, supporting organisations like Alzheimer's Society and Alzheimer's Support. It means looking after our staff. It means looking after and supporting the suppliers to help us to produce the great food that we do.
Now, this Queen's Award for Sustainable Development is a fantastic recognition of how we're making a real difference on the broadest front to both our customers, our team, and the wider community that we serve and live in. Everyone in our organisation has every right to be incredibly proud of this award. They deserve thanks and congratulations for it.